Hey, this is Jeff from Task AGI. This process used to take hours. Now it's automated with Task AGI AI agents. Let me show you how.
Spending hours copying email addresses and phone numbers from company websites is painfully slow work. What if you could automate that entire process and scrape hundreds of leads in minutes instead of days? This AI agent does exactly that. It visits company websites for you, finds their contact pages, extracts all the contact information, and writes everything directly into your Google Sheets. No coding required. Here's how it works. The agent starts by reading your Google Sheet where you've listed company websites. Then it enters a loop that processes each company one by one. For every website, an AI-powered browser automation visits the site, intelligently navigates to find the contact page, and extracts any available contact information like email addresses, phone numbers, or contact forms. Once the AI finds the information, a search node locates the correct row in your spreadsheet. Finally, an update node writes the contact details back to your sheet in the right place. The whole process runs automatically while you focus on actually reaching out to those leads instead of collecting them. Setting this up takes about 5 minutes. You'll need to connect your Google Sheets account so the agent can read your list and write back the results. You'll also enable browser automation, which is built right into Task AGI and requires no extra credentials. Then you just paste your Google Sheet URL into the workflow, and the agent handles the rest. The AI prompt tells it exactly what to do, like go to the website, find the contact page, and extract the information. You can customize this prompt if you want specific details like only email addresses or social media links. Start with a small test of 3 to 5 companies to make sure everything works. Check your sheet after the workflow runs to verify the contact information appears in the right rows. Once you confirm it's working, scale up to hundreds of companies. This template has over 700 deployments from sales teams, recruiters, and marketers who need to build prospect lists fast. Whether you're doing outreach, partnership research, or market analysis, this agent saves hours of manual work every single week. Ready to automate your lead scraping? Deploy this agent now on Task AGI and start collecting contact information while you sleep.